All right, y'all, I gotta say it. If I see one more person type into ChatGPT, "Help me with something," I might throw my vintage Discman across the room. You're not asking a psychic for vibes. You're talking to a machine that needs specifics. Today, I'm showing you how to stop wasting time and start getting results with task-specific prompts. You'll learn exactly how to tell AI what you want, so it finally acts like your personal productivity sidekick instead of that one coworker who just says, "Sure, I'll circle back." When you type, "Help me write," or "Help me be productive," the AI's like, "Cool, but how?" It's like asking your barista for coffee. What kind? Hot? Iced? Double shot? Oat milk? Existential crisis on the side? So here's the fix: task-specific prompts. These tell AI exactly what job it's performing: the role, the goal, and the style. Think of it like giving your assistant a to-do list instead of vibes. A good prompt does three things. Names the task. For example, write, summarize, plan. Clarifies the outcome, the result you want. Sets the tone or format, how you want it delivered. Example: instead of typing, "Write me something about email marketing," say this: "Act as a content strategist. Write a 3-paragraph email with a friendly, persuasive tone that encourages small business owners to try AI tools." Boom. Now AI knows what it is, what it's doing, and why. That's the power of task-specific prompts. Let's try a few. Writing task. AI, act as a script doctor. Rewrite this scene to make it funnier without changing the main story. Productivity task. AI, act as a project manager. Create a 3-step daily plan for staying focused while working from home. Creative task. AI, act as a Gen X content coach. Generate TikTok video ideas that blend humor and nostalgia for people born in the 70s or 80s. Every time you assign a role and a task, you unlock better answers instantly. It's like the difference between asking your teen to clean the kitchen versus saying, "Put away dishes, wipe the counters, and take out the trash." You know which one actually gets done. You ready for the cheat code? My master formula: act as, perform, produce with, aimed at. That's it. The Prompt Queen's royal decree. And because I love you all, I've made a free downloadable prompt sheet with 10 ready-to-go templates to copy and paste. Links down below. If this helped you level up your AI game, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your favorite bad prompt confession in the comments. The funniest one gets a shout out next week. Until then, stay caffeinated, stay curious, and remember, vague in, vague out. But specific? That's where the magic happens. I'm the Gen X AI Prompt Queen, and your next prompt just got royal treatment. Peace out.